Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. So now let's check with me one by one. បាទអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវយើងធ្វើការ check ឡានក៏ដូចជាធ្វើការលាងសម្អាតប្រភេទឡានផ្សេងៗដោយអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបានឃើញស្រាប់នេះគឺជាប្រភេទឡានធំសម្រាប់ដឹកឡានតូចយកទៅការ៉ាសលក់ឡាន very nice, very strong. Okay. How about this one? Helicopter. អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទ helicopter បាទ helicopter ប្រភេទអធម្មភេកជ្ជៈអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា green color helicopter green color បាទពណ៌ខៀវ Truk បាទ Truk ប្រភេទឡានដឹកដី Truk ប្រភេទឡានដឹកដី Truk ឬក៏ហៅថា Mobil Truk បាទនេះគឺជាប្រភេទឡានគៀដី bulldozer បាទ bulldozer អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទប្រភេទឡានគៀដី with shoot បាទ shoot Monster Truck បាទ Monster Truck very nice bulldozer another bulldozer bigger bulldozer everybody Spider-Man but this one is a black Spider-Man Green supercar, everybody. This one is a green supercar, very nice supercar. Okay. Red bus, everybody. Red bus, very nice bus. បាទឡានក្រុងបកក្រហមឡានវាយកូនគោលបកក្រហម Super cool. Oh, cabbage truck, mini cabbage truck ឡានម៉ូសម្រាម My special hero. Now I drop it away. Racing car, shoot racing car. Back shoot racing car. Red Spider-Man. Red super motorbike, police motorbike. Okay, everybody, if you like this video, please let me know by comment, like, and especially click a subscribe button. So now, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to enjoy your day. Be happy every time, everywhere. So now, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.